Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: Cemu and Cemu hook installed and the gamepad accessible. Plug the gamepad or adapter into your PC, then install drivers when prompted so Windows recognizes the device. Once done, open Cemu and load the emulation profile. Make sure the game you'll test is closed before binding inputs. You do this now to avoid conflicts. Immediate setup prevents mid-process disconnects and ensures Cemu hook can enumerate. Next, you configure the controls inside Cemu and Cemu hook. Open Options, right arrow input settings, choose Wii U Gamepad as the controller, and map buttons and sticks. Then, enable touchscreen input mapping and assign a mouse or touch area. Calibrate gyroscope if you plan to tilt the pad. Once mapped, use Cemu hook's streaming feature to mirror the gamepad display so you can interact with touch-only menus. Make sure to save the profile. This avoids repeating mapping for future sessions. Finally, you launch your game to confirm everything works. Verify gamepad buttons, sticks, and touchscreen respond correctly, and check the streamed display for input accuracy. If you see lag, make incremental adjustments to Cemu hook buffering and Cemu's graphics options to reduce latency while maintaining stability. If the gamepad isn't recognized, restart Cemu and your PC, reinstall the driver, and try a different USB port. These steps fix most connection issues, and they're faster than reconfiguring mappings from scratch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.